Do you ever feel like you don't measure up or that your calling doesn't look like someone else's? I know I have. I used to get so irritated when I would hear believers say, the greater the testimony, the greater the calling. Like, I've had my own life challenges, but I've never been addicted to drugs. I've never had a life-threatening health issue, and I've certainly never been to jail. Does this mean God wasn't going to use my life and my testimony in a powerful way? 1 Corinthians 15:38 says, but God gives it a body as he pleases, and to each seed its own body. In case you have been wondering, God intentionally designed your purpose. He knew what your testimony would be. He knew that I didn't need any of those type of testimonies to get my attention, and I'm guessing no one in my immediate circle needed them either. Here's the thing, you are great and needed in the kingdom of God. God doesn't do the copy-paste assignments. To each of us, he has given a unique calling, a process of getting you there, and a design for equipping you exactly as it pleases him. You can stop comparing your journey and calling to others, because just as seeds grow into different kinds of plants, God's plans and purpose for you are uniquely yours. Now, don't despise your shape, your season, or your assignment to chase somebody else's calling, okay? Cultivate your own. Your journey and growth might look different, but your fruit will be just as significant when you remain faithful to what God has planted in you. See you tomorrow for another 1 Minute on Purpose.